Craig.
No, what?
He broke up with his girlfriend.
Oh, no.
It was a dark, gloomy night on Halloween.
Well, I can't stand to look at you now.
Fight. Man versus man. Zach, stop! It's just a drink.
I believe I can fly.
Until forever comes, you'll find us chasing the sun.
Football game last night.
Yeah, the guy was running as fast as a cheetah.
Yeah, but remember that time when we weren't friends?
Yeah, you hit that paper out of my hand.
Yeah, I'm sorry about that.
That's all right, man.
I hope one day in the future we're out flying cars and go to transport places. Just tell me.
Is it actually spelling his word?
It's comedy.
Math test, it was like so much like mx plus b, and like linear equations and all this crazy stuff. I didn't even know what I was doing. Ugh.
So what you're saying is tests are difficult.
Yes, it made my head almost explode.
Oh my gosh, the Hoover's so big, it's bigger than the universe.
I feel the master. I feel them. Y'all ready? They ready?
So how was the Penn State game?
It is good, and there's nothing like an old-fashioned Penn State game when there's 110,000 fans cheering for their team, and we're up by 2 scores in a big game. It's great.
Dude, I can't wait to go to the slopes this weekend.
Oh, did you get your season pass?
Yeah.
That's cool. I want to get one.
I'm looking at the mirror on the wall. Here we are again.
I know the dentist told me to floss today. I don't know if I should or not. I'll do it anyway.
Man, I'm really in the mood for green M&Ms. That's it.
Yeah. That shit look like good too. I get what you get in 10 years, in 2 days.
I cannot. Oh my god, what can I do? My memory shrinks, my hearing stinks, my sense of smell, I look like hell. My mood is bad, can you tell? My body's drooping, I have trouble pooping. The golden years have come at last, the golden years. Oh.
To be or not to be? That is the question.
So, how are you doing today?
I'm horrible. It's raining out. I got 1 hour of sleep. I failed my math test. Nothing else. What else can go wrong?
Well, seems like you're having a good day.
I am. It's horrible.
Fun.
Boy, I'm starving. Do you have any candy?
Yeah. I have M&M, chocolate, Jolly Ranchers, and a Snickers.
I'll take M&M's. I like them.
Alright. May the odds be ever in your favor. And now for the girls. Prim Everdeen.
Yeah.
upon a time in a beautiful fall land.
Bang, 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 bang.
I just took a car.
Want to see?